We are facing a crisis of emotional intelligence in today's classrooms. Do you agree, teachers?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Big one, not a little one. A very serious crisis of emotional intelligence. Now, that actually scares me a lot. Because think about the future of our society. You understand that emotional intelligence not magically will come to them. It requires very hard work. Before iPads were created, children were still eating somehow. How did they do that? Miraculously? I don't know. Oi, Victoria, going to restaurant without iPad? Victoria, have you ever done this by yourself? With 3 years old? Oh, no. So first, we do everything for them. We don't give them responsibility. We do everything for them. And then, all of a sudden, we wake up and say, Victoria, he's 7 years of age. There is nothing he can do. And then we start screaming. Why are you screaming? But you didn't teach him to do whatever you want him to do. Why are you screaming now? Children follow our footsteps. If we scream, they scream. So when your child drops something and you say, ah! Your child is looking and saying, oh, I know how to respond to stress. When mom was stressed, she was screaming here. Next time when something happened, I know what I need to do. I will do, ah! And then we get upset. Why are you screaming? But he doesn't know anything else. He looked at you. He did what you do. So is it wrong, mommy? I didn't know that that's wrong. So don't show what you don't want to see. It's a mindset that needs to be a family mindset. It's not about children. It's about us to understand. And that's what I teach children in emotional intelligence class, starting from 4 years of age. That life is just like a mountain climbing. You have a choice. You can run away from the mountain climbing, or you can push yourself outside of your comfort zone and push yourself to climb this mountain. And then at the end, there will be a beautiful scenery. Because when we're standing on top of the mountain and we look down, it's whoa! But when we stand at the bottom of the mountain and see this, that is scary. And that does not apply to children. It applies to all of us. That's the growth mindset that we all have to have in our family. So at the end, it's a family victory. When they're happy, we all are happy. But don't forget, the end is just the beginning. Every time we climb the mountain, there is many more mountains to climb. But with time, it's all just gets easier. So give your child the key for success in life, and thank you guys for your attention. You are amazing.